Got a damaged archive that won't open or keeps showing errors? 7-Zip can't magically rebuild every corrupted archive, but it can help you test the damage and recover files that are still readable. In this tutorial, I'll show you the safest recovery steps, from testing the archive to checking split volumes and extracting whatever data you can. So let's get started. First, make a copy of the damaged archive. Never experiment with the only copy you have. Right-click the archive, choose Copy, and paste it into a separate recovery folder. We'll work on that copy throughout this process. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of 7-Zip. The official 7-Zip recovery guide recommends trying the latest version first because newer releases may resolve problems with some archives. Now open 7-Zip File Manager and locate your copied archive. Right-click it and choose the test option if it's available, or open the archive and use Test from the toolbar. 7-Zip will scan the archive and report errors such as data error or CRC error. If 7-Zip can open the archive and display its file list, that's a good sign. It means at least some of the archive structure is readable. Don't assume everything is safe yet. Try extracting the important files to a completely separate folder. Select the files you need and click Extract. Choose a new destination, then start the extraction. If some files extract successfully while others produce errors, keep the files that were recovered successfully. Next, check whether the archive is split into multiple volumes. You might see files with names such as 7zip.001, 7zip.002, or similar numbered parts. All required volumes need to be present and together in the same folder. If the archive came from a download, try downloading it again from the original trusted source. A damaged transfer can cause CRC or data errors. If the archive was copied from another drive or device, copy it again and test the new copy. Here's the important part. 7-Zip can sometimes recover readable data, but it cannot recreate information that has been completely lost or corrupted. The official recovery documentation includes advanced techniques for certain damaged 7-Zip archives, but those involve examining archive headers and using tools such as a hex editor. After extraction, open the recovered files and make sure they actually work. Check important documents, images, videos, or other files individually. Successful extraction doesn't always mean every recovered file is perfect, and that's how to troubleshoot and recover files from a damaged archive with 7-Zip. Make a backup copy, test the archive, extract whatever is readable, check for missing volumes, and use a fresh copy whenever possible. If the damage is severe, a backup is usually the safest recovery option.